In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer and forward emails from Outlook to Gmail. This process ensures that you never miss an important email, no matter where you primarily check your messages. It's especially helpful if you prefer using Gmail but don't want to lose track of emails sent to your Outlook account. So, let's get started on seamlessly integrating these two platforms. First, you're going to want to open your Outlook account. Once you're signed in and on the main page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a gear icon representing settings. It's tiny and easily overlooked, so take a moment to find it. After clicking on it, a sidebar will pop up. Select View All Outlook Settings at the bottom of this sidebar to proceed. This will open a new panel where you can adjust your email account's various settings. Now that you're in the settings, look for the option labeled Mail and click on it. Under this section, you should spot Forwarding. This is the feature that will allow you to send your emails to Gmail automatically. Click on Forwarding, and you'll see an option where you can input the Gmail address you want your Outlook emails to be sent to. Type in your Gmail address carefully to avoid any errors. Once you've entered your Gmail address, make sure to check the option Keep a copy of forwarded messages if you'd like to retain copies of the email in your Outlook account too. This can be particularly useful if you want to keep a comprehensive record of your emails, just in case you need to refer back to something later. It's all about making sure you stay organized and secure. Before you wrap this setup, double-check everything. It's a small task but an important one. You just want to make sure that there are no typos in your Gmail address, as this would mean your emails might end up in the wrong inbox or be lost entirely. If everything looks good, click Save to apply the changes. To ensure that everything is functioning as expected, send a test email to your Outlook account. Then, jump over to Gmail and see if that email appears there. It should arrive shortly. If it doesn't, go back through the steps to see if there might have been a missed detail. It's always worth the extra minute to confirm everything is set up correctly. And that's it. You've just learned how to forward your emails from Outlook to Gmail smoothly and effortlessly. This setup is incredibly beneficial, providing convenience and ensuring no important message slips through the cracks. Be sure to periodically check both your accounts to ensure everything continues to work seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.